Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to export a specific part of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I will just put a video short and I want to just select the specific part of this video. So once you will be just select the area and just type in the keyboard I, and now you will be just go and select the another part to the ends part and just type in the keyboard O. So now you will be just exported from here. Just tap simply as well. So after, as you can see from here, you will just have to select the location and you will just also change the name of this file. And after you will just also choose the format right over here, which you want, and simply just tap to export it. So in this way, you will just have to export a specific part of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it. Thank you.